to make a phone call, what you're doing, whether it's an iOS phone, iPhone or Android phone, is you're pulling up the phone's voice assistant, right? So in this case, Siri. In an Android phone, it's going to be Google Voice, Bixby, whatever other options there are. But you're pulling that up, you're waiting for the tone, and then you're just speaking to it and telling it to call whoever. You can always, this phone button right here, if I tap that, it's going to pull up that phone's voice assistant. Here's an example. I wait for that tone, and then I issue the command, say call whoever, or give me directions to whatever. But you got to make sure that you wait for that little Siri tone or that little Google tone before you issue the command. Otherwise, it's not listening to you. Connection lost. This should recover here in a second. That is normal to happen if you've got the app open when you pull up your voice assistant. Okay, app's back on. Now, the other option is to just, because of the natural voicing again, is if this was paired to an Android phone, I would just literally in the helmet say, okay, Google, wait for that little tone, and then issue the command. It's completely hands-free. Or I'll demonstrate it with an iOS. It's going to be the same command as anything else. Hey, Siri.
Hey, Siri.
I wait for the tone. Now I can speak to it and say, call whoever. I'm going to cancel that. And that pulls out the voice command. So, hope that helps. Any questions? Write them below. Thanks.